Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is a video series wherein I'll be showing you guys how to DIY your notebook cover. And before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. And the first one in the series is a matte style cover. For this I'm using UA notebook. I'll also require glue, scissors and some paper strips. But if you do not have paper strips, you can always use satin ribbons or any other type of ribbons. The size of the strips here are 10 mm, but you can also use a smaller size if you have got a smaller notebook. Let's get started. Open the book and on one side apply glue and start sticking the strips. Make sure you do not overlap these strips and they are at 90 degrees to the notebook. Repeat this process till the end, and then we will stick the other color to the other side. I'm using pink and blue, but you can do this with single colors, or if you want you can use multiple colors. While sticking blue, make sure you stick this at the corner so that we do not miss out on space, and the mat looks perfectly aligned with the size of the notebook. To make a different pattern, I am using dark blue color, but it's totally up to you. You can use it, or if you don't want, you want it plain, you can just remove the dark blue and put sky blue or whatever color you are using. On this side also stick till the end. Once done, close the book, and now we'll start doing the mat. For the beginning, I'm taking one pink color and one blue color, and I'll stick them. To make a mat, you have to put pink color across the blue color strips, one above and one below, like alternatively. So here you can see pink color is visible on two alternate squares and blue color is visible on other three or other alternate squares. In the same way you have to complete till the end. This you have to repeat this with all the pink color strips. After one strip is done, make sure you stick the pink color on the sides so that the mat doesn't loosen. Now while taking the second strip, the alternates will change. On the first square where you can see blue, so in the second square you will see pink. You have to arrange the strip in such a way that if there is blue on the above strip, you should see pink on the below strip. And in the same way we have to do this till the end with all the pink color strips. Make sure to stick all the pink strips on the sides first as soon as they are completed. After you complete all the strips, we will start sticking the pink color strips on the back side. So like this, our half of the diary is complete. Now we'll stick the pink color on back side. You can also do the same matte procedure here, or you can simply paint after sticking the pink color strips, but I'll keep this little plain. And while sticking these strips also, make sure it is 90 degrees to the book and the strips are not overlapping each other. Repeat this till the end. Now I'll cut the excess strips and stick them inside. We'll repeat the same process with the blue color extra strips. Cut the excess of blue strips and stick them inside. So once this is done, our diary is basically complete. But inside where we have stuck the strips, it does not look good, so we will be sticking a white color paper. Cut this paper according to the size that you require and simply use a glue and stick this. We will stick the same white color paper on the back side as well. So once we stick this white paper, our DIY diary will be completed. If you have enjoyed the video, please give this video a like and share it with your friends. Also, do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.